Dear students, I am Sister Reshma here and I'll be helping you with your English lessons of class 8th. Let's now proceed to the lesson 1, Finding My Way. It's written by Venkat Raman Singh Sham and co-written by S. Anand. Finding My Way is the autobiography of Venkat Raman Singh Sham. Do you know what's the meaning of autobiography? Autobiography is a written account or the stories written by a person about himself or herself. Now we will have some knowledge about the authors. Venkat Raman Singh Sham is a well known gaunt painter from Madhya Pradesh. He was trained or educated under the guidance of his own uncle, Jankar Singh Sham, the famous gaunt painter. In the initial days, he used charcoal in his art, but now he uses the bright colors for shading. Actually, what he painted life around him and the gaunt stories. And we have a co writer, S. Anand. He is a journalist. What these gaunt paintings are all about. Now, here we have few gaunt paintings. It's a form of painting from tribal art and is practiced by one of the largest tribes in India, the Gond, from Madhya Pradesh. Traditionally, Gond paintings were on mud walls with colors from natural materials like charcoal, soil, leaves, cow dung, and the list goes on. And one of the specialities of these Gond paintings are that these paintings are done with the help of lines, dots, and dashes. Now we are proceeding to the summary of the lesson. As we proceed, we will come across so many characters, so many persons. So I'll be introducing you with each one of them. Venkat Sham, the main character of this lesson. Now, as he narrates his story, he tells that he loved fishing and he loved plowing the fields. But he was quite surprised that he did not learn any of these skills from the school, but everything he had in himself. Then he moves on to tell about his grandfather, Pasadilal, who used to narrate very interesting stories to him. So, one of the stories that he remembers is about a washerman and a fish. The story goes like this. Whenever the washerman come to wash his clothes, he used to feed the fish as well. So the fish was very thankful to this man. In order to express his thankfulness, his gratitude, the fish gave him an information that the world is going to be ended. The washerman was very upset. He thought, what will I do now? The fish gave him an idea that you make a wooden box and hide yourself and your dear ones in it. So the man made the wooden box and he, his sister, the fish, and they also had a rooster. So all these went into this box and they hid themselves. And after the destruction, when God was searching for the life on this earth, God finds these people alive, and that's how the world was remade. This is a painting that Venkat made about this wooden box and the people in it. Next, he writes about a child named Kabir who used to speak mixed language which was not known to the man. Then he proceeds to tell us about Vasudeva. And what was speciality about this Vasudeva was he had two things in his hand. On one hand, he carried three stringed tambura, and on the other hand, he had cymbals. And Vasudeva used to sing so melodious songs, very mesmerizing songs. Though Venkat did not understand everything, but he used to enjoy his lovely songs. Next, the writer tells about his talent in drawing, and he proceeds to tell us about his mother, Himalaya Bai, who gave him some pencil drawings which were of his uncle Jawahar. Jawahar was very talented artist, but he died in a very young age. So all believe that Venkat is a rebirth or reincarnation of this Jawahar. Then he tells about his school days. When his father took him to the school, the principal felt that he was underage. So, in those days, the age was decided by a child's ability to touch his left ear with his right hand. So, Venkat used the shortest distance and he could do it very easily. So, principal was very admired with the boy's smartness and he was admitted in the school. Then he tells about his uncle Janga Singh. Janga Singh had few assistants with him. So what they used to do, whenever any painting is given to them, they used to finish what was begun by Janga. But when the task was given to Venkat, Venkat created in his own way. So it was looking like a cracked earth, a split earth. And Janga was very happy with the boy's talent and he was so impressed. And he taught them the art just like grinding the masalas. And Janga played musical instruments and he asked his disciples to sing along with him. And he taught them to live. Art just came along. So these are the few paintings of Venkat Sham. Now you can get your study materials and solved question answers from the description given below. Thank you and please stay tuned for the further videos.